Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So for this project here, I'm going to be working with this wire stemmed straw flower here. Now this one here is a 22 gauge wire that I used, and this right here is my floral tape. Now this floral tape is not sticky like a Scotch tape would be. It's a little bit different, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start this off up at the top up here. I'm going to kind of wrap it around just to get it started. There we go. And then what you want to do is you want to start spinning. Now another way that you can do this is to take the stem of your flower here and to take your floral tape and just kind of go around it and then spin it as you're going around. And then that's what I do. I just kind of push the floral tape around because sometimes they don't always spin the way that they should. And I'm going to cut this stem a little bit shorter. So I'm going to use the wire cutters here. I do recommend wearing protective eyewear when working with these in case your wire would happen to come back on you. And this is spinning so much better without that long thing on. That was the problem right there. So I'm just spinning this up here. There we go. And then I'm just going to tear that off right there and finish that off around. Now you will still have like the point of the wire on the bottom. So what you can do, if you choose to, is take like a drop of hot glue and dip it on the end of this so that it's not sharp and you don't get cut on it. But that's how you do the floral tape on your wire-stemmed flowers. And it can be a little tricky sometimes to work with. You gotta kind of work with it to get it to do what you want it to do there. Now this one here, the stem is the wire, and the wire goes into the flower head. This one here, I wrapped the wire around the straw flower. The only problem with this is sometimes the flowers will come off. So I definitely recommend putting the wire right through the flower head to make sure it stays on there. And this is ready then to use in your crafting projects. So if you want to do like a wreath or a bouquet or something like that, it's all ready to go. And you can check out my channel for how to do the wire stemming of the straw flowers. And if you want to dry the straw flowers with the natural stems on, I did do videos on that as well. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.